Just a few drops of this pink mixture on your window frames, and that annoying problem will disappear immediately. You'll save money on expensive professional services. Get a small, clean bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. It's a great base for this homemade mix. Next, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda is a versatile household ingredient with properties that work well in hard-to-reach places. Now add something everyone has in the kitchen. Dish soap helps the mixture stick better to surfaces. Add 1 tablespoon to the bowl. Pour in 1 tablespoon of vinegar, which will boost the effect of the other ingredients. The next ingredient is toothpaste, which improves the durability and effectiveness of the mix. Stir everything very thoroughly. That's key to combining the ingredients. Use a syringe to draw up the mixture and apply it into window frames, especially in cracks where unwanted guests may appear. Also use it around windowsills, balconies, and trash areas. This natural method repels insects, cockroaches, and other pests. It works quickly, effectively, and without using harmful chemicals. If you do this, ants, cockroaches, and other insects will disappear from your home. Leave it in the drawer, spice cabinet, on the windowsill, or on the countertop, and you won't see any ants or cockroaches anymore. Thanks to this, you'll have peace from these pests. A regular green cucumber will save you a lot of time, money, and nerves. No more buying expensive chemicals for insects. Hide such slices in the kitchen, bathroom, living room, or bedroom. You'll see the effects the same day. Prepare a cutting board and a cucumber. Just a regular green cucumber. First, wash it thoroughly in water. Then dry it. Now slice it into medium-thick slices. Cucumber has a scent that repels ants. The substances in the cucumber peel act on them toxically. They lose their sense of smell, orientation, and die. The content of natural repellent substances in cucumbers is invaluable. It's the cheapest and simplest way to get rid of ants. Then prepare baking soda. Apply about a teaspoon to the cucumber slices. Because of its properties, it's one of the most popular products for repelling and eliminating pests in the garden. But at home, it works great for repelling cockroaches. The soda will absorb the juice from the cucumber and strengthen its scent for insects. Transfer the cucumber slices with soda to a small plate and spread them around the apartment. Leave them in places where you've had the most problems with ants or cockroaches. These balls will save your home. Start with some aluminum foil. Most people associate it with food storage, but it has so many other uses. Tear off a larger piece of foil. Now grab some ground coffee. Its strong smell is a natural repellent. Add 1 tablespoon of coffee. Next, add ground black pepper. It contains piperine, which has an irritating effect. Add 1 tablespoon of pepper to the coffee. The next ingredient is a bay leaf, a natural insect repellent. Take 1 leaf, break it into smaller pieces, and add it to the mix. Fold the foil into a ball, making sure it's sealed tightly. Use a toothpick to poke small holes all over the ball. This allows the scent to release slowly. Place the finished ball near balcony windows to get rid of ants and other insects. It also works great on kitchen counters where bugs tend to show up. Pop one into your wardrobe, too. It'll protect your clothes from moths and leave a fresh scent behind. It's a simple, all-natural way to kick out unwanted guests from your home. Definitely give it a try. Put a ball of aluminum foil like this in your home. You'll quickly get rid of ants, moths, spiders, and cockroaches. You'll be surprised by what's hidden inside this ball. Just place it in different spots. Thanks to it, your problems with bugs and insects will disappear in seconds. So grab some aluminum foil and do what I do step by step. Tear off or cut a piece of aluminum foil with scissors. Get some sugar. This treat attracts ants, flies, and cockroaches. Pour 2 tablespoons of sugar into a small bowl. Add 1 heaping tablespoon of toothpaste. Every toothpaste has ingredients insects don't like. That's why toothpaste is often used to fight and repel all kinds of bugs. Add a little citrus peel. It can be grated lemon, lime, or orange peel. Mix everything together. Scoop some onto the aluminum foil and wrap it into a ball. Use a toothpick to poke holes in it all over. This will work on ants, cockroaches, and moths. Place these balls in different corners, especially in the kitchen and bathroom. Put them in cabinets, too. You won't see ants or moths anymore. I'm sure you'll love this simple trick. Spray your windows with this. No more flies inside. This is hands down the best trick for keeping flies away. I mix just 2 ingredients with water and spray it around my window and door frames. This natural repellent keeps flies from sneaking into your home. And it works on mosquitoes and ticks, too. You only need 3 simple ingredients, and you probably already have them at home. No need to buy expensive chemical sprays anymore. This DIY solution takes just a minute to make, and it actually works. Grab a pitcher and a spray bottle. Pour in 200 milliliters, about 3/4 cup, of water, then add 200 milliliters of vinegar. White or apple cider vinegar both work great. Stir it well. Now take your essential oil. Add about 40 drops. Peppermint, lavender, eucalyptus, or tea tree oil all do the job. Stir again. Pour the mix into your spray bottle. Spray it around your window frames, door frames, and if you have a patio door, spray that too. For even better protection, lightly mist your curtains. Thanks to this spray, you can enjoy a bug-free home all spring and summer. No more buzzing in your ears. Pour the vinegar into the mint. This combination has an unexpected use. Start by preparing a glass container. Add 1 tablespoon of dried mint. Thanks to its strong scent, mint is a natural repellent. It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties. Pour in 300 milliliters of hot water, stir and let it cool. Then, prepare a second glass container and a strainer with cheesecloth. Strain the mint infusion and add 200 milliliters of vinegar. Vinegar has strong disinfecting properties and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Moreover, its sharp scent repels pests. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle, which makes it easy to apply. This homemade remedy works as a protective shield against mice, rats, cockroaches, ants, and other insects. Just spray it where pests appear or where they may enter the house. It's a simple yet extremely effective solution that can be used both indoors and outdoors. My grandpa used to tie cloth strips around every tree in his garden, and now I do the same. Let me show you how and why. All you need is an old, torn rag. Cut it into thin strips. Then prepare some cinnamon bark. Its strong scent keeps ants away. Add a handful of cloves, which interfere with ants' sense of direction. Grind the cloves into a fine powder and pour it into a container. Next, add hot water and mix well. Then add a tablespoon of powdered garlic and finish off with some mint tea. Stir everything thoroughly and let it sit for a few hours. Once it's ready, soak the cloth strips in the solution, making sure they're well saturated. Then wring them out gently and tie them around your trees. You've just made a natural, effective ant repellent. The intense scents of cinnamon, cloves, garlic, and mint will keep ants at bay, and the soaked cloth will act as a long-lasting barrier. The ants will stay away, and your tree will be safe from their attacks.